Let me get you an update now from Karnataka because BJP hasn't been able to pacify the disgruntled leader KS Ishwarappa. Ishwarappa has filed the nomination finally from Shimoga. You're looking at the visuals of him after he's filed his nomination as an independent candidate. The BJP had denied ticket to Ishwarappa's son as he had wanted, and Ishwarappa in turn has said, ensure that BJP is purified after the polls. Ishwarappa will be fighting as an independent in Shimoga. He wanted a ticket for the son, if not for him, and had been angry against Yediyurappa and Yediyurappa's son being given a lot of responsibilities within the party.
आज चुनाव के लिए नामपत्र आज डाल रहा हूं। सभी मंदिर में देवताओं को देवियों को मैं रिक्वेस्ट किया है, लोक का कल्याण के लिए डायरेक्टली चुनाव। अभी युद्ध में चल रहा हूं। हमारा सभी नेताओं ने, वर्कर्स ने मेरे साथ है, लोगों ने मेरे साथ है। डेफिनेटली मैं जीतकर नरेंद्र मोदी के पास जाऊंगा।
India Today's Anaga Keshav is joining me on the phone line for the latest on that. So, KS Ishwarappa Anaga finally filing that nomination. But what does it really mean on the ground? Does he have the stature, do you think, to upset the Bharatiya Janata Party? Congress also hasn't been a party that has been able to attract Ishwarappa. How does it look like in Shimoga? Tell us.
Well, Pooja, very realistically speaking, to say that, KS Ishwarappa will go ahead and defeat Yediyurappa's family is too optimistical in nature. Although KS Ishwarappa does hold significant sway over Kuruba voters and in Shimoga, he's the senior leader, all credit given to him. But to say that he is going to overtake Raghavendra to become the next MP, is a bit too optimistical. That's the sense that we get on the ground. However, in BJP, Yediyurappa is, however, he appears shook by the fact that his close aide, KS Ishwarappa, has revolted against him. He is going to eat into BJP's votes for sure. But will he defeat Raghavendra? It's a bit doubtful on that front. But, because when it comes to Shimoga, it is Yediyurappa, who has always held a significant sway in Lingayat voters. Even the OBC also, Pooja, votes for Yediyurappa. So we need to wait and watch by what margin will Yediyurappa, will KS Ishwarappa be able to make things all the more difficult for Raghavendra.
So that's clearly a symbolism, a messaging coming in from KS Ishwarappa. But if he brings forth a surprise, just in case, that could be a big upset to specifically the Bharatiya Janata Party. Appreciate you joining us. Anaga Keshav from Karnataka.